blaze through the night. Smoked LED trailer lights that scream move over. Tired of dull, weak tail lights that barely get noticed? The PartSam 12-volt submersible LED trailer lights are here to light up your ride like a Christmas tree, but make it badass. With a smoked red lens and solid LED pattern, these lights give your trailer a modern, high-end look while ensuring maximum visibility on the road. Designed to be 100% street legal, they'll keep you compliant while making your truck, boat trailer, RV, or snowmobile look sleek AF. Plus, with 6 to 7 built-in functions, you get stop, turn, tail, marker, and license illumination, all in one set. Ever had your trailer lights short out after one rainy day? Not anymore. These IP68 waterproof LEDs are completely sealed with epoxy-encapsulated electronics, meaning water, dirt, and corrosion don't stand a chance. Perfect for boat trailers and off-road warriors, they'll keep shining even when fully submerged. Whether you're hauling through stormy weather, deep puddles, or rough terrain, these lights are as unshakable as your driving skills. While cheap, flimsy lights flicker and die, these bad boys are built to last, making them a no-brainer upgrade for any trailer owner. Visibility isn't just about looking cool, it's about staying safe. These 15 to 19 diode LED lights ensure your trailer is seen from a mile away, reducing the risk of accidents. Unlike dim, outdated halogens, these LEDs offer instant brightness with zero lag, making your brake signals crisp and clear. Whether you're hauling gear at midnight or cruising through fog, these lights cut through the darkness like a hot knife through butter. Customers rave about their superior brightness, and let's be real, when it comes to safety, brighter is always better. No one wants to spend hours wrestling with trailer lights. That's why PartSam keeps it simple. This set comes with a color-coded 3-wire pigtail system, making wiring straightforward even for beginners. The surface mount design ensures they stay securely in place, and with included gaskets and screws, installation is a breeze. Unlike cheap lights that need constant tweaking, these stay locked and loaded. DOT approved and ready to roll, these lights give you pro-level performance with zero headaches, because you have better things to do than troubleshoot bad wiring. Why pay double the price for trailer lights that won't last? PartSam delivers pro-grade durability, top-tier brightness, and waterproof reliability, all at a wallet-friendly price. Whether you're towing a boat, truck, RV, or camper, these heavy-duty LEDs outshine the competition while saving you money in the long run. With a sleek smoke design, unbeatable toughness, and eye-searing brightness, these lights aren't just worth buying, they're a must-have. So don't settle for weak, unreliable lights, upgrade now and tow with confidence.